Hello everyone. Now let us see second numerical for controllability and observability. Here we have state model according to state equation and output equation. In previous numerical already I have told you how we can define controllability, how we can define observability. So to define controllability and observability, first we will define system matrix A, input coupling matrix B, and output coupling matrix C. If we compare given state model with the standard state model, we have a value of system matrix A according to -1, 1, 0, -2 of size 2 cross 2. So here n becomes 2. Value of matrix B, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 of size 3 cross 3. Value of matrix C, we have 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1 of size 3 cross 2. Already we know Kalman test for controllability. So first we will define controllability test matrix. So here controllability test matrix is given by QC equal to B AB A square B up to a to the power n minus 1b. But here we have n equal to 2. That means n minus 1 becomes 1. So QC we can write with the help of B AB. B already we know. Already we have defined value of matrix B. Now let us calculate AB. A is -1, 1, 0, -2. V is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So after matrix multiplication, we have answer for AB. It is -1, 1, 0 for first row. For second row, elements are 0, -2, -2. So we can write matrix QC or controllability test matrix according to QC equal to matrix B 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Matrix AB, it is matrix AB, it is -1, -1, 1, 0, 0, -2, -2. Now let us see how we can calculate the determinant. Question is that how we can calculate the determinant of the matrix QC, because if we talk about the size of the matrix, we can say we have 2 rows and 6 columns. For 2 cross 2 matrix, we can easily calculate the determinant of the matrix. For 3 cross 3 matrix, we can easily calculate the determinant of the matrix. Already we have seen in mathematics. But if matrix size will increase, or if matrix is not a square matrix, in this case we will consider submatrix of size 2 cross 2 depending upon the controllability test matrix. So here first we will consider submatrix of size 2 cross 2, then we will calculate the determinant of that matrix. If determinant of that matrix is non-zero, we can say system is controllable. If determinant of that matrix is 0, we will go for next submatrix, and we will again calculate the determinant of second submatrix. If determinant of second submatrix is non-zero, we can say system is controllable. If determinant of second submatrix is 0, we will go for third submatrix, and so on. So finally, if determinant of all submatrices is 0, in this case we can say system is uncontrollable. If determinant of any submatrix is non-zero, we can say our system is controllable. So here define first submatrix. Suppose 1 0 0 1. Let us calculate the determinant. We have 1. So we can say determinant of first submatrix is non-zero. So according to our condition, system is controllable. So here we will not go for the next submatrix because determinant of first submatrix is non-zero. So on the basis of that, we can say our system is controllable. Now let us see observability test. So for observability test, first we will write observability test matrix. You can say Q naught with the help of CA square up to CA power n minus 1. So here column will define augmentation, and augmentation means we are increasing the size of the matrix according to CA, according to CA square, according to CA power n minus 1. So already we calculated n, it is 2. So Q naught we can write with the help of CA. Matrix C already we know. Matrix C already we know. It is 1 2 1 0 1 1. Now let us calculate CA. C already we know it is 1 2 1 0 1 1. Matrix A already we know it is minus 1 1 0 minus 2. So after matrix multiplication we have answer minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now let us write the observability test matrix according to CCA. So we have C it is a 1 2 1 0 1 1. Okay, and CA we know it is a -1 -3 -1 1 -1 -1. So here we have 6 rows and 2 columns. Again we will face the same problem. We will face problem to calculate the determinant of matrix Q naught. So here first we will consider a submatrix of size 2 cross 2 to determine the observability of the system. Let us define a 2 cross 2 submatrix. And calculate the determinant of first submatrix. Suppose 1 2 1 0. So here we have determinant -2 -2, and already I have told you how we can define a observable system. If determinant of Q naught is non-zero, we can say system is observable. And here determinant of first submatrix is non-zero, so we can say our system is observable. If determinant of first submatrix becomes 0, then we go for second submatrix, and we will calculate the determinant of second submatrix. If its determinant is non-zero, we can say system is observable. If its determinant is 0, then we will move for third submatrix of size 2 cross 2. So finally we can say if determinant of all submatrices is 0, we can say our system is not observable. If determinant of any one submatrix is non-zero, we can say our system is observable. So here system is observable and system is controllable. Thank you.